Hi, Mike's Carburetor Injector Parts here. Working on Thermoquad 4-barrel. We're going to do adjustment, and we're actually going to do adjustment on this secondary throttle linkage right here. And to do that, first we want to back off the idle screw, make sure it's not holding the throttle open. The idle will hold this primary throttle open right here. And that's the first thing we do. And then the next thing we want to know is, will this stop here and this stop here at the same time? We want them both to go to the stops at the same time. So we open it up, there they hit. Try and keep my hand out of the way as much as I can. And it's got to stop right there. They both seem to stop about the same time, so we're good there. Next thing we want to know is if the secondary valve is opening 80% of the way. Okay, not 100. You don't want it open all the way, only 80%. As you can see it right there. All right, so that's it. Pretty simple, short video to adjust this. To adjust it, you adjust this arm right here. Okay, right at the bend. You'll have to probably take it off, put it in your vise, because it's very hard to bend. In the old days we had a tool for that. Don't have one now. So there you go. We'll put some links in the description on parts for this carburetor, and we do appreciate you watching our videos. Thank you.